Hi everyone, today I'm going to walk you through Beanstack on a mobile device. If you're using Beanstack on your mobile device, we recommend you going through your device's web browser and not the Beanstack app available through your app store. The web browser allows for better accessibility to non-English speakers. Scroll down to the Google logo and tap that logo. From there, you'll be able to translate the page into basically any language you could need. So to access Beanstack, you're going to want to go to fortworth.beanstack.com. If you already have an account, you can click the top right and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, scroll until you see the register buttons. Now let's scroll back up to the register button and register for an account with Beanstack. You're going to want to select register an individual or family, and from there, you'll answer the questions and fill out your information into the required fields. Once you have filled in all of your information and create your account, you'll unlock your first badge. You can earn different badges throughout the summer by completing and logging different activities through the library. Up in the top left-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Log. This is where you'll log your reading activity. You'll want to select the option that says Log Minutes. Whoops, you just have to scroll down a little bit to see. Select the day you did your reading and then enter the amount of time you spent reading. For every 100 minutes of reading you log, you'll earn one badge. Once you've earned 8 reading badges, you'll receive a grand prize based on your age group. And that's signing up for Beanstack. It's really simple, it's really user-friendly, and we can't wait to see you there.